Today's co-host is Susan, again, and today's ingredient theme, cheese. So make sure you check out today's co-host after the video. Episode 21, Buffalo Mac and Cheese with Gorgonzola Slaw. Hello there, and let's start with the slaw mix. Combine 12 ounces of crumbled Gorgonzola, 2 cups of mayonnaise, a splash of the shire, salt and pepper. Mix and then wrap it in plastic wrap. Forget to add 2 minced cloves of garlic, but then remember after you put it in the fridge, unwrap it, add the garlic, mix it again, and don't mind the Teresa hand. Put it in the fridge until we're ready to plate, and then just add a 10 to 12 ounce bag of slaw mix. Next up, the chicken marinade. Buttermilk, cayenne pepper to your preference, a diced shallot, and 2 cloves of garlic minced, a tablespoon of salt and some black pepper, always. Now put it in the fridge for at least 6 hours. Prepare your flour and add the seasonings. Baking powder, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, celery salt, kosher salt, black pepper, and then tiny whisk all of that together. Cut to the future when everything is ready to go. We're going to heat up oil to 350 degrees. Take each piece of chicken, dip it in the flour. Then back into the buttermilk mix, marinade. And then back into the flour. And then we're going to paper plate them until they're ready to drop into the oil. Carefully drop in the oil, don't be crazy. And then cook it up until it's golden brown and perfection. Just like this bad boy right here. Continue to fry until all pieces are cooked. And now, while those are going, let's make some quick mac and cheese. Melt some butter. Add some flour to make a roux. Whisk in 3 cups of half and half. 2 now, 1 later. So combined and bubbly. Add 8 ounces of sharp cheddar and 8 ounces of Monterey Jack. Add the last of the half and half. For some flavor, add Dijon mustard, hot sauce, and more of the shire. Salt and pepper too, always. And then toss in a box of cooked shells or any other pasta if you're a monster. Mix until cheesy perfection. Now, we're going to toss our chicken in some hot sauce. I use what they taught in French cooking classes. Plastic container and shake. Sorry. And then we chop it up into manageable-ish pieces. Let's start with the base of mac and cheese. Add our chicken. And then top with our slaw. Everything about this works. The chicken is amazing. The star of the show is the slaw. It's so good. Like, it really is so good. And the other star is the chicken. Yes, there can be 2 stars, okay? I mean, you can't go wrong with mac and cheese. It's always a star. 3 stars. The whole meal is a star. Okay? It's so good. My only regret is that I don't have my own hot sauce. But maybe I'll look into making my own. We'll see. That's this episode. Thank you for watching. Why not follow? Make sure you check out Susan, today's co-host, and I will link her stuff right now.